morning. Hope all of you are well. As you know, today is Labor Day, a special day to thank all the people who work, from drivers to doctors, cleaners to cook. Every job, it's about getting the world we live in. Today remind us to respect every worker no matter whatever they do. Their courage gave us the right we have today.
Good morning. It's an honor to stand before you today as we celebrate Labor Day, a day dedicated to the hardworking men and women who contributed to the strength, prosperity, and Labor Day isn't just a day off from work. It's a time to reflect on the immense value of hard working and the right that workers have fought for and earned over the years. The day has roots in the labor movement of the 19th century when workers across the country fought for better working contributions, fair wage, and reasonable hours. There are effects we have seen the rise of essential workers who and their prospects.